Now we will make a wide half double crochet. Yarn over, insert your hook in between stitch posts of previous row. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through 3 loops on hook. Repeat these steps until you reach the end of the row.